Hey, what's up guys? It's John here from Blackjack Contracting, the host of the REI Contractor Show. We are here at our finished job site in Willow Drive in Brantford. I'm pretty happy with this one, pretty proud of it. I'm looking forward to showing you around. We will we'll talk to the owner through this. We'll do a financial analysis. We'll show you what we did. We'll show you before and afters, and look forward to showing you around. We're in side split side, so we nicknamed this the side split or the south side. This is a pretty unique property because it has a bungalow with a basement that's all part of one unit, and we have a floor-level side split that's the other unit. So we're obviously standing in the main floor level. This is the kitchen living room, which will show you around. To my left, your right, we have a bathroom and a laundry room. We're an added feature. Upstairs above us is 3 bedrooms, and then the middle floor is the entry and your electrical panel. So this house has been a complete transformation. It's been complete outside windows, siding, roof, fascia, downspout, pretty much everything. And this house is going to be 2 units. They're both rented out. Believe it or not, we'll be in 2 hours where we're standing. And we look forward to showing you around. So we're going to do the side split side first, and then we'll show you the bungalow side after this. And here we are in the living room. So we have bar seating behind us, which we just showed you. So the open concept, and we have a nice big living room. We have a TV area here, all new windows, big natural light from front to back, and the windows will be a nice breeze. As you can see in the ceiling, which will show you, we have some beautiful hot lights for natural lighting and to make it warm and bright. So now we're in the laundry room, which is just off the kitchen. Unfortunately, my dryer's not here thanks COVID, but we have our washer. We're expecting that soon. So this used to be the entry to the basement right here. This has been filled in. On the other side is the basement unit. And for an added feature for these tenants, this place has 2 washrooms. Each unit has 2 washrooms. So right here we have this beautiful little powder room, which was an excellent use of space underneath the staircase. Also, we have the exterior entrance to the backyard, so they can go from the front door and they have access to their own private backyard, which we'll show you in a minute. As you walk up the stairs here, this is our ground floor level. We have our front door right here, and we have our entry closet, a big spacious hallway with plenty of storage, and this leads to the upstairs to the bedrooms. As you can see here, we have our own private electrical panel for this unit. This has its own meter on the other side of the house, which we showed you in a previous video. So the tenant controls their own breakers from here. And as we go up here, we'll lead up to the bedrooms and washroom. So we have 3 bedrooms here. We're going to get a better shot later around the unit, but they're all 3 decent size. The one on the opposite side here is the smallest, but they're both decent size. Big closets. Warm, smoke detectors, new lighting, new windows, the whole kit and caboodle. So there should be no issues with this house for years to come. And up here we're in the main washroom, so we have a brand new toilet, a brand new tub, deep tub thing, a brand new tile up around. And so the tenants have 2 washrooms here, as we said, actually a washer and a half, sorry. So they should be pretty comfortable and never have to fight for space. Here we're at the entrance to the side split side. We have a brand new door which they painted black. We have all new fascia, we have all new siding, all new windows, front porches. The customer's done some beautiful landscaping. So the side 2's over here. They have their own private gardens to tend to, and they're going to have their own driveways, so I think they should be pretty happy tenants. Okay, here we have a private entrance to their own private backyard. We have this nice big gate, which is going to take you back here. So in here, as you can see, they got their own private fence, they got their own patio, got their own entrance to the backyard, which we showed you before. Beautiful tree. And over here, we'll show you, it's like they got their own private sedge, so it should be a little private oasis for the customer. We're here at our Willow Drive project, part 2, and we just finished up the north side of the bungalow side. This is a 2+1 bedroom in the basement, 2 living spaces, 2 full bathrooms, sliding door, private kitchen. It's pretty cool. This is a pretty unique project, so these people are going to have an upstairs and a downstairs. We're just here doing some final touch-ups and cleaning, and the tenant's moving in right away. The inspector just left, and we're good to go. We'll take you a good tour around and show you what we did in this place and how it maximizes rent, and then we'll do a financial review with the owner later. The rents are pretty incredible, and he'll tell you about that shortly. So I hope you know it around, and if you guys got any questions, please reach out and enjoy the show. Here. This is Dan Jarnovic, who's the owner of the Willow Drive project. Dan is a interesting character to say the least, but we just finished up this project here. We're just getting wrapped up with touch-ups and handing over the keys, and it's been just under 4 months. It's been a long 4 months, a stressful 4 months, because Dan likes to get over involved in his projects, to say the least. Oh, Dan, thanks for coming on. So we're just going to do a quick financial overview for the customers so they can learn from this. So we're in a pretty unique property here. This is not normal, but what made you want to buy this house?
I guess when I first seen it, it had the double doors in front, and I just figured it'd be a good project, for a duplex concept.
Yeah.
And right away it just grabbed my attention. And that was the whole idea from the beginning.
Right on. So we're in the Brantford market, but we're in a pretty upscale neighborhood for Brantford. So what did you pay for the property?
I would pay $412.
412, and if you've seen the market price, I think Dan did just okay. Now, before I tell you the rental budget, I want to announce to the world this is not my fault. Dan decided to really do the property up right, so it's built for the long term. He's done the inside, he's done the outside, the plumbing, electrical, there's nothing left. So Dan shouldn't have to touch this place for a year.
Hopefully not. Hopefully not.
So Dan, what have we spent on this project to date?
Well, exactly.
Including just estimate, including what we did, what you've done yourself, little extras.
It is $200,000 by the time we're done.
Yeah,
approximately. Exact numbers I haven't gone through exactly, but we're about 200.
So $200,000, but the honest truth of the matter is what's been done at this house is a roof, all new exterior, all new windows, all new doors, a complete renovation to a duplex on the inside, water softeners, furnaces, air conditioners,
landscaping,
fences, driveways, patios. There's nothing left. So he shouldn't have to do things now. As we all know how much the markets have gone up and what the things. So what are you hoping to get on back on a refi?
It should be around 600. Is my
Yeah, so I think he's a little light on that based on what I'm seeing, but I mean that's good. So he should get most of his renovation funds back.
Yeah.
And that's awesome. Okay, Dan, so tell us about rents on this place. I know you did pretty well.
Yeah. So the one side is $2,200 per month, and the other side would be $2,150. So we got $4,350.
$4,350. You don't really see that too often in the duplex conversions. You usually see around that $3,400 a month, so that's pretty incredible. So what about your cash flow numbers on this one?
So cash flow is going to be about $1,000 per month. We're just waiting to see where we finish up with everything, but about $1,000 per month.
That's pretty incredible. Sounds like a good deal to me.
A lot of work.
So what's your plans after this one?
Well, first we got to finish this one. But well, obviously we'll do another one. We'll get this out of the way and take a bit of a break, bit of a breather, and
he needs to sleep through the night. Is what he needs to do.
Give my wife a break from my last 4 months of this.
All right, great.
And back at it.
All right, thanks, Dan. Appreciate it. You're a good customer, and it's been a lot of fun.
Thank you. You as well.
Well, guys, that's everything. Thanks for following. Thanks for watching. It's been a fun one. You can find all the information about this project at reicontractor.ca, and please like and subscribe.